In this lecture, we're going to talk about how to hide API key in GitHub. To do so, come to github.com. I'm logged in. Let's get a new repository. Suppose new X. You can choose the visibility, public or private. I'm making it private. Github repository. Getting file. Suppose new file. Suppose I'll use this code. Now look here, in this code we don't put API key as it is. We put in environment.get because we put it, if we put the API key in the environment file, then we get it. Now go to settings, go to secret and secrets and variable, go to actions, new repository secret. Now come to here, the name is API key, copy it, put it here, and here we put the actual API, whatever value it is, actual API put it, and then you add it text secret. Then it will be, we do this for security purposes. If we put the code that is as it is, it may compromise with your security of the code or API. So we do this.